everyone! Have you ever wondered how some people seem to rake in thousands of dollars from token airdrops? What if I told you that there's a huge upcoming opportunity that could be your ticket to those gains? Today, we're talking about a major token airdrop that's just around the corner, and if you play your cards right, you could stand to earn a significant chunk of those rewards. Sound interesting? Let's dive in. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now, if you're new to airdrops, you might be wondering what makes this one special. Well, this upcoming token will be listed very soon, and the airdrop itself will take place on that very same listing date. It's important to note that this is no ordinary airdrop. The number of tokens you receive will be tied directly to your rating within the platform. In short, the higher your rating, the bigger your share of tokens. And trust me, there's a lot on the line here because this project is backed by some major exchanges, including BingX, which will offer pre-market trading for this token. So how do you make the most of this? First, let's clear up a bit of confusion. Many people have mistaken the stars associated with this token for Telegram stars. They're not the same thing. The stars you'll be earning in this game are specific to the platform itself. They aren't something you pay for like Telegram stars, but instead you earn them through in-game tasks and activities. These stars are what will boost your rating, and that's what's going to increase your airdrop rewards. So where do you start? The key is focusing on increasing your rating. The platform operates as a rank-based game, meaning the more stars you accumulate, the higher your rank, and ultimately, the more tokens you'll earn in the airdrop. To get these stars, you need to complete various daily tasks within the platform. These tasks are simple but effective ways to accumulate stars. And don't forget to connect your wallet, because without that, you won't be eligible for the airdrop. Once you've connected your wallet, every task you complete and every star you earn gets you closer to boosting your rank. In fact, just linking your wallet could give you a significant bump in stars right from the start. The more you engage, the higher your rank will climb. And remember, this isn't a one-time deal. The more you continue to participate, the more stars you'll earn, and your rating will keep rising. Now here's another strategy. Invite your friends. Each time someone joins through your referral, you'll earn additional stars. This can quickly multiply your rewards and increase your rank even faster. And if you're competitive, there's more. You can also play mini-games on the platform to earn even more stars. One such game allows you to hold on to a special token for as long as possible. The longer you hold it, the more stars you earn, which of course boosts your rank even further. So why should you pay attention to this project? The subscriber base alone tells the story. It's huge. This is one of those projects that could really take off, and getting in early could make all the difference. The potential earnings are nothing to scoff at either. If you've been following other airdrops like Dogs or Hamster Combat, you know how much money can be made if you stay on top of things. This is another opportunity you don't want to miss. Before I wrap up, a quick reminder. The token has a 10 billion supply, and the pre-market price predictions are already being discussed. Keep an eye on that, as it will give you a sense of the potential value of the tokens you're working towards. I'll be sharing updates on this as we get closer to the listing date. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.